Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to compare TQQQ with VGT. I'm someone who loves investing into ETFs, but more than investing, I love analyzing ETFs. And I'll be really excited if you'd write me down below in the comments if you know some ETFs and you would like me to make comparison on them. I'll be really happy to make videos on that too. Also, if you want to learn how you can make more money with ETFs, I created a course down below in the description. Definitely check it out. So without further ado, let's start and let me show you all the important stuff. Now, when you come here to TQQQ and VGT, what is the main difference? The main difference is that TQQQ is a triple leveraged ETF that you can make more money with, and at the same time, you can lose more money. TQQQ is a wonderful ETF that you can use for, let's say that there is a crash on the market, and you would start investing in the TQQQ, you would make like a good bank if the market would recover, of course. That's like theoretically speaking, of course. And then we have a VGT, which is issued by Vanguard. TQQQ is issued by ProShares. Then we're gonna see the expense ratio right here, 0.95%, comparing to expense ratio 0.10%. So VGT is much cheaper when we compare to the fees. So let's say that you would invest $10,000. When you would invest $10,000, you would pay $95 in TQQQ, but only $10 in VGT. Assets under management, again, Vanguard is better here. And then you have like the daily volume here, which is higher in TQQQ. TQQQ is copying Nasdaq 100 index. That's like similar to QQQM and QQQ. And then VGT is copying market information technology, and we will get to it. Now, when we scroll down below, we can see clearly the differences here. And what are some main differences? You can see clearly that like this graph is not working really well. You see right here on the right side that 1 month, 3 months, 1 year, the increase is huge. I mean, someone made even the post that if you would invest $1,000 or something like that in 2010 to TQQQ, you would make so much money. And VGT, on the other hand, is performing also really well. Like 42% is crazy too. But you can see clearly that TQQ is overperforming really well. But again, we must say that if TQQQ would be on a market that's crashing, you would lose more money comparing to just VGT. Then sectors, or what like most of the time is investing, I can tell you about VGT. So you can see that Apple and Microsoft, this is the one disadvantage you personally see. Let me show you about VGT is that you have 37% of all whole ETF in 2 stocks, 37%. And this is something that you should definitely keep in mind on. List of companies. You can see clearly here, I want to show you the TQQQ holdings. And because we don't have it on this website, yep, you see they have the Apple, Microsoft, Comcast, Intel, like most of the technological companies, like top 100 from Nasdaq and ProShares. So yep. And on the other hand, on the VGT, when you come here, you see that you see Apple, Microsoft Corporation, Nvidia Corporation, Visa. But you have to keep in mind with the VGT that Apple and Microsoft Corporation is 37%, which is crazy. And yeah, to summarize this whole video, I don't know what else to show you guys, because this is just the basic of video. The TQQQ is overperforming VGT hard, but right now the market is going up, so that's like understandable because it's a XXX leveraged ETF. On the other hand, with VGT, you see the expense ratio is much lower, and when you look on the holdings, this is something that you should know, that Apple and Microsoft own like 37%. And if something would happen with Apple or Microsoft Corporation, the VGT ETF would like suffer. So this is pretty much it. If you can have any questions, guys, ask me down in comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye. See ya.